All right, we got the oil pan out. Popped off a couple of the bearings. Bearings are toasted. Let me turn this light off. This isn't working. Need another hand. All right. That's the bearing from number 5. And this is the bearing from number 6. It's all scored up. Let's see if I can see. Try and run your fingernail across it, catches. Okay, the big thing though was half of the thrust bearing was sitting in the oil pan. So yeah, that piece isn't supposed to be in here. And down in the motor, we've got metal flake all over the place. The oil just looks like glitter. Sand metal throughout the whole engine. Now the pickup tube isn't very clogged up. A couple flakes of metal, but there's really no sludge. The motor's not that bad for a higher end motor, higher mileage motor. Get up inside, motor's relatively clean, but this would need, to rebuild this motor, you'd have to take every single piece apart, clean all the metal fragments out of it, get a new crankshaft, all new bearings, new main bearings. I don't know, we haven't looked at see what kind of damage the camshafts and the camshaft bearings took from having metal run through everything. But every single part inside this motor would need to be replaced, every moving part. So this motor is shot. Why it happened, I don't know, but it did.